Hey, what's up, G's? Welcome back to another analysis video. Today we're going to talk about what has happened. We've had a massive leg up. We've been talking about this compound run scenario in the previous videos, and looks like we really had a massive push to the up, along with some news coming in about the Bitcoin ETFs, and we've had quite a push up, and now we are slightly holding down. But there were several trading opportunities. We also discussed how this level right here could be a shorting level, but with the news coming in hard, we just blasted past the level and made a relatively surprising pump. Okay, so a lot has happened. There was a short position right over here, as you can see. If you move to the 1 hour time frame, and there was this high right over here. If we zoom in on the 15-minute, you can clearly see we had this high. If you put a horizontal ray on top of it, we clearly string failure off of that. We traced to the 618 level and had a quite a push down. Okay, so right now we are creating aggressive higher lows, so I do think we could come up to this level and claim liquidity above these highs. So I'm definitely looking for a push up, but yeah, there were some trading opportunities that we took. Had a string failure off of this low right over here, and hit a long position, got stopped out and break even. As you can see, it's always good to have risk management in your pockets. It's the only thing that's going to save you at the end of the day. So we had a bit of a late entry. I was expecting a pump, but we just tumbled down, and I got stopped out at break even. So we did have quite a volume push down from this level. As you can see, this was a clear support and resistance line, this blue line over here. As you can see, we had two touches right over here, we had one touch right over here, one here, and also acting as resistance. So as soon as we had a break above this low, I was looking for a short opportunity right at this level. As you can see, we had a high volume candle right over here, and we were replacing with low bullish volume. Also, we had some fib levels. Obviously, we take down this, almost came up to the 61865 level, slightly above, and retraced back down to the 618 level from this low. As you can see, I took most of my profits here, as you can see from the screenshots, and got starved out with this movement up, obviously. So we are creating sort of an ascending triangle right now, and we might just have a push up to claim liquidity above these highs. And if we last off with high volume from this resistance zone, I would really be looking to longing the retracement back down for a possible push up. But yeah, more interested in longing if we do break above this with high volume. What I'm also looking for is a claim of lows, these two lows. If we do also have some CVD divergence, I think that would be a fairly good trade, as we will also be on the value area low of this range. So if we close above this value area low, I think it would be a fairly good long position. So basically, we broke above the massive double bottom that we had at the 26,000 range. Right now, this was the resistance that we talked about in our previous videos. It didn't really get respected, but a retracement could give you a longing opportunity, in my opinion, all depending on the volume and the price action we make coming down. If you take fib levels from this low, you can see we are hitting the 61865 level right at the resistance. But right now, we are also creating lower highs on the relatively larger time frame. If we take a look at the path, we're creating some sort of various price sections. So if you do break above this resistance successfully, we probably are coming down to claim these highs, probably at least this high. That would be a minor shift in the trend. But right now on the lower time frame, we are in an ascending triangle, as you can see, trying to break above this resistance. So this was also a really good shorting position. As you can see, we had a swing period off the previous low, also having good retracement to the 618 level. That would give you a really good risk to reward trade, in my opinion. So yeah, we kept rolling down from that point. Moving on to the bigger time frame, it was also a level. Actually, move on to the 1 hour time frame, or even the 4 hour time frame. Yeah, if we take the volume profile from this range, it was actually the point of control high volume node area. Also taking a look at Fibonacci from this pivot to this low, about here, we perfectly tapped the 618 level and had quite a push down. So that was a fairly good shorting position. It was the only actual resistance that existed above this high, so it was worth a shot, in my opinion, considering that swing failure and also had some CVD divergence. If we head over to finalize, as you can see on the 1 minute time frame, we arguably created sort of low high, but the CVD created almost the same but slightly higher high. So that was a good shorting position. I missed that position, but it's really easy to trade these consolidations. All you have to do is mark the levels and pay attention to the volume and all the indications. Right now I'm looking for a break of this resistance to claim this high, possibly longing over here. Okay, so have barely any volume on the 15-minute time frame. Seems like it's a weekend and we're just calming down after the massive push up we had yesterday. So where are we headed? Creating aggressive lower highs on the medium time frame. So right now, looking at the larger time frame, we've had a relatively high volume pump to the upside considering the news. So where are we heading now? There are some easy trades on the lower time frame, but it's kind of hard to predict where we're headed on the larger time frame. That's basically all my analysis.